So after pneumonia, plumbing issues, and post-hospital carb cravings, I still managed to lose 4 pounds, which is awesome. Um, so hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dave, and this is week 28 of my Keto-ish journey. It's been a challenging couple of weeks for sure. And after a few setbacks and the recovery, I still managed to get a major drop down to 248.4 pounds, which is terrific. So let's check out the spreadsheet, do the update, and I'll be back to you shortly. Okay, let's update this spreadsheet. Week 28. It is September the 14th. And my weight came in at 248.4. Fantastic. Let's see exactly how much I lost here. Oof, down 3.8 pounds. Sweet. Let me just fix this as usual. Okay, so we are 23.4 pounds to go before hitting goal number 3, which hopefully is my cruise. So 23 more to go, but down 4 pounds this week. Can't complain about that. So yesterday I had a appointment with the hospital doctor, or the team that looked after me while I was in hospital a few weeks back with pneumonia. Just some follow-up tests. I did a CAT scan last week, so went over that. And we just talked about my health in general since then. And the CT scan still showed a little something something. So the hospital's going to schedule one more CT scan. That'll be like the 5th one I've had. But for the most part, everything's clear. I did blood work in the morning before I went in yesterday, and a urine test, and we talked about those. Everything seems okay. I do have, I did tell you, I think I mentioned a couple of weeks ago that they had given me these giant potassium pills, and I think it was, I don't remember why exactly, something to do with blood pressure, I think. But I think they were 1,500 milligram tablets. And yeah, it was ridiculous. But the doctor said I can stop those. So I'm totally happy about that. So now I take a little bit of magnesium. I may, um, let's see, I may find a smaller dosage of potassium, but it's only, to use as an electrolyte. Not too concerned about it. But so anyway, I don't have any more. The final follow-up will be with my family doctor in about 3 weeks, and I don't have anything else scheduled at the hospital other than the CT scan whenever that turns up. But yeah, I mean, so now, I mean, what's changed, I guess, since um, I had I was up a couple of pounds, and anyway, what what got me down another 4 pounds today, this last weigh-in, is um, back on keto, and just being careful with what I'm eating. What have I changed? Um, I did. Frickin' wasps get squirrely this time of year. Anyway, what was I gonna say? So anyway, yeah, back on keto and doing intermittent fasting. So I don't eat until about noon. Excuse me, noonish, and still doing my tequila and Coke Zero, which helps keep me sane. Um, I did start walking yesterday, so I'm not getting very far. I think it's about 2,000 steps. If I do that twice a day, um, and just kind of grow that, I'd like to get over the next week or so up to 5,000 steps, and then um, finally get to 10,000 steps, and well before I hit the cruise in November. Um, it feels awesome to get under 250 pounds again. It's been a lot of years, and I guess that wasp wants on the camera. Yeah, so obviously my energy's getting back with the I'm able to get out there and walk. It's not easy. I'm huffing and puffing a little bit. I had the doctors told me to keep track of my blood pressure, and when I did pull out my blood pressure cuff, I think I've had it for like 5 years. I couldn't get it to work. I replaced the batteries. It just kind of died. Maybe it's because I dropped it. So I ordered another one from Amazon. It came a few days ago, so I've started to look at that. And they might make some minor adjustments on my hypertension uh, dr- uh, blood pressure drug that they put me on. The pills, they're very they're very weak. Like it doesn't take doesn't take much to get my blood pressure back in line. So I take those daily along with my vitamins. So anyway, looking forward to my weigh-in next Sunday. Um, my goal I've got my eye on is the 225 pounds by the time I hit the C's. Um, but but yeah, I mean, I don't think I'd be losing 4 pounds a week, but 2 pounds a week might get me there. Um, so, so yeah, I mean, so I'd love to hear your comments. If you've had to stop and restart keto diet, how did you cope with it? So yeah, if you want to see any more content, my updates, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and that way you get it every week. Also, I do have all of these on a playlist, so there's what we got 28 weeks under my belt, and 54 pounds that aren't under my belt anymore, which is fantastic. Anyway, thanks again, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.